No, because he was really on the phone with me the whole time.
I'll set the house on fire. I'll burn it to the ground. I get to acting out and blacking out.
What we're doing.
My mom was so sad this morning.
I was upset. How y'all let a felon
He's a convicted felon.
become president, but felons can't vote? That is crazy.
You be scaring me too, girl.
Very disciplined. No, because he was really on the phone with me the whole time. Exactly. Exactly. Now he want to be a lover.
What you eating for breakfast?
I had
That's crazy.
some updated successfully.
Like, what the fuck was that? I think it's the camera.